Want to bake a soft, delicious cake in under 30 minutes? Let's make an easy air fryer cake that's perfect for beginners. In a bowl, mix the flour, dates, eggs, baking powder, milk, cinnamon, and salt. Then blend until smooth. Add sesame seeds, black seeds, and cantaloupe seeds, or any seeds of your choice. Give it a mix, then grease a small cake tin that fits in your air fryer. Pour in the batter and give it a little tap to release air bubbles. Preheat your air fryer at 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 3 minutes. Then bake the cake at the same temperature for 25 minutes. Keep an eye on it and do the toothpick test. You can also add the seeds on top of the cake for better presentation. Once baked, let it cool completely before removing from the tin. If you like this quick recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more easy air fryer treats. See you next time!